Hey friends, has your Valorant account been banned and do you wish to unban it? If yes, then there is only one method and I'll help you with it. So open google.com and search for the word Valorant support. Okay, it's Valorant support. Click on the search bar and the first option will appear for Valorant support. You can click on submit a request or you can go to the support page and reach this page. So in this case, for submit a request, click on choose a request type, scroll down and click on discuss personal suspension and restriction. Okay, so it says that you need to be logged on to submit this request, and I'm not logged on to the browser, so I will log on to it with my account. And once I am logged in, it will need a few seconds. I have verified my email and then I can go through the ticket. I hope this was helpful because raising a ticket is the only option we have, and there's no other option. And if it did help you, then please subscribe to my channel. If it didn't help you, then let me know in the comment section and I will investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.